Yeah, Wednesday, 10:38, 11 seconds. Year 2025, 7th month, 30th day. And the trees are being cut down in the backyard. With the power company. West Lane, LLC. Looks like wonderful firewood.
Cottonwood.
Cottonwood.
Yeah.
Ah.
A lot of people don't like it for burning.
Yeah, it's good burning wood though.
Yeah.
It just got to keep the chimney clean.
Yeah.
Take that knob off.
If you want to leave some of that here for firewood, that would be wonderful. Yeah.
Yeah, you want me to put some over there for firewood?
Yeah, I'll open up the gate.
What's that?
I'll open the gate up.
I can lift it right over.
Oh, sure, yeah. Lift it right over if you want.
Okay, I'll put it over there for you. Do you want like 4 foot pieces? 6 foot?
4 foot.
4 foot?
Yeah,
Okay.
that would be cool. Wonderful.
Yeah, we're just gonna haul it off.
Cool. Yeah. Was wondering where was going to get some firewood this season. Here it is. Yeah,
You want all of it or what?
sure. Yeah.
Want all of it?
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Awesome. Got firewood this year. cool. Cottonwood, he said. Alright. Pop it over the fence then. Alright, that's it for that. Later.